How to fix Gas App unexpected error. First of all, head over to your application Play Store. In the search bar, search for Gas App. Head over to this application. So right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then it means that your application is not up to date. So it might be one of the reasons that you are facing the issue. In this case, all you want to do is update the application to the latest version and you'll be good to go. But if this doesn't work for you, then in the next step what you want to do is head over to your settings. Move into apps. Head over to your application Gas App. Tap on storage and gas. So right here you need to clear the gas and the storage of this application. So tap on clear gas and then tap on clear storage. Click on OK. Clearing the gas and storage will remove all the unwanted bugs from the application and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on this application. But if you're still facing the issue, then in the next step what you want to do is head over to your Play Store. Right here you need to uninstall this application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling this application will definitely fix the issue that you have been facing and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Gas App and unexpected error occurred. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.